this is the SONY Xperia XA2 and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, hold for a while the home screen with your finger. You will see here the widgets icon, tap on it, and after that you will see here all of the available applications which widgets you could add. For example, let's add the calendar shadow, tap on it, and now it's added automatically to our home screen. To move widget here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. To resize the widget, we should just hold it for a while and just drag it by this way. Oh, how we could do that? Maybe resize. Yeah, hold it and tap the resize icon, and after that you could make it bigger or smaller by this way. And to remove it from the home screen, you should just hold it and drag it to remove from home screen section. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.